Welcome back to FitLife Fusion. Today, we're tackling a very important topic, prostate health. Whether you're looking to maintain your prostate health or you're concerned about issues like prostate enlargement or cancer, what you eat plays a critical role. In this video, we're going to explore the 10 most harmful foods for your prostate that you should consider limiting or avoiding altogether. Let's dive right in. Before we get into the harmful foods, let's quickly talk about why prostate health matters. The prostate is a small gland in men that plays a key role in the reproductive system. As men age, issues like prostate enlargement, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, and prostate cancer become more common. While factors like age and genetics play a role, your diet can significantly influence the health of your prostate. Certain foods can increase inflammation, raise levels of harmful hormones, and even promote the growth of cancerous cells. So, it's crucial to be mindful of what you eat. Processed red meat. First on the list is processed red meat. This includes foods like bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats. Processed meats are high in unhealthy fats, which can lead to increased inflammation in the body. Bad news for prostate health. Studies have shown that diets high in processed red meats can increase the risk of prostate cancer. Not only are processed meats high in saturated fats, but they also contain nitrates and preservatives that can have carcinogenic effects. If you're concerned about your prostate, try to limit your intake of these meats and opt for healthier protein sources like fish or plant-based proteins. Fried foods. Next up, fried foods. Unfortunately, they're not doing your prostate any favors. Fried foods like French fries, fried chicken, and onion rings are high in unhealthy trans fats. These fats are known to promote inflammation and contribute to the development of various chronic diseases, including prostate problems. Trans fats can also negatively affect hormone levels in the body, which can impact prostate health. So, if you're craving something crunchy, try baking your food instead of frying it, or opt for air-fried alternatives. Dairy products. Who doesn't love dairy products? While dairy can be a good source of calcium, it can also have some negative effects on prostate health. High consumption of dairy, especially full-fat options like whole milk, cheese, and butter, has been linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer. Dairy can raise levels of insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1, a hormone that can promote the growth of cancer cells. If you're a dairy lover, consider switching to low-fat options or plant-based alternatives like almond or soy milk to help protect your prostate. Alcohol. Let's talk alcohol. While enjoying a drink occasionally may not be harmful, excessive alcohol consumption has been linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer and other prostate-related issues. Alcohol can also cause dehydration, which isn't good for prostate health and may affect hormone levels in the body. Heavy drinking can also exacerbate symptoms of BPH, such as frequent urination. If you do choose to drink, moderation is key. Stick to the recommended guidelines and consider swapping alcohol for healthier beverages whenever possible. Sugar and sugary drinks. Next on the list is sugar. Diets high in refined sugars and sugary drinks can lead to a host of health problems, including issues with your prostate. Excessive sugar intake can cause insulin resistance, leading to increased inflammation and weight gain, both of which are risk factors for prostate problems. Sodas, energy drinks, and even fruit juices loaded with added sugars can wreak havoc on your body. Instead, try to cut back on sugary beverages and opt for water, herbal teas, or freshly squeezed juice without added sugar. Canned foods. Canned foods, particularly canned tomatoes, may seem harmless, but they can be problematic for prostate health due to their high sodium content and BPA, bisphenol A lining. BPA is a chemical found in the lining of many canned foods, and research suggests that it can disrupt hormone levels in the body, potentially affecting the prostate. Excess sodium can also contribute to high blood pressure, which can indirectly impact prostate health. Whenever possible, opt for fresh or frozen produce instead of canned, or look for BPA-free packaging. Red meat. Red meat, particularly when consumed in large quantities, has been linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer. This includes meats like beef, pork, and lamb. Red meat is often high in saturated fats, which can lead to inflammation and hormone imbalances that negatively affect prostate health. Grilling or frying red meat at high temperatures can also create carcinogenic compounds that further increase the risk of cancer. To protect your prostate, try reducing your intake of red meat and incorporating more plant-based proteins or fish into your meals. Refined grains. Refined grains like white bread, white rice, and pastries have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients, leaving behind empty calories. These foods have a high glycemic index, which means they can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, leading to increased inflammation and insulin resistance, both of which are bad news for your prostate. Instead of refined grains, opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. These alternatives are not only more nutritious, but also help keep your blood sugar levels steady. Processed snacks and junk food. Finally, let's talk about processed snacks and junk food. Chips, crackers, and packaged baked goods are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial additives. These foods contribute to inflammation and can have a negative impact on your prostate health. Processed snacks are also typically low in nutrients, meaning they provide little benefit to your body while causing harm. If you're craving a snack, try reaching for healthier options like nuts, seeds, or fresh fruit instead. And there you have it, the 10 most harmful foods for your prostate. By reducing your intake of processed meats, fried foods, sugary drinks, and other unhealthy options, you can help protect your prostate and support your overall health. Remember, the key is moderation and making healthier choices whenever possible. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can go a long way in promoting prostate health and reducing your risk of prostate-related issues. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to FitLife Fusion, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest videos on health and wellness. If you have any questions or tips for maintaining prostate health, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health.